those of you that are regulars, welcome back. Any new ones? Yeah, alright. Anyway, those that have been following, we've been doing a MGB repaint. It's turned into, it's gone from a little rub down and repaint into more of a resto. But the customer is willing to pay, show it done properly, so we don't mind doing it. And this is where we're at. We've had seals welded, wings have come off, we've had scuttle welded, patches. What else? Yeah, patches both ends. Apparently you can't get hold of the scuttles, like rocking all shit. Welded the seal, and whoever gashed up these quarter panels, they filled this up with sealer. So we've dug all that out, and it weren't even welded. So my old man's gone down and welded that. Got to dress all this up with some filler. We've re-drilled these. The old man sorted these back corners out because they were shit. Boot and bonnet are in epoxy, ready to be blocked and filled. Doors, new doors are turned up. They look exactly the same. They're really good doors, good quality. I'm an MG specialist. The old ones just full of rot along this bottom seam. Would need a plate there. Been gashed up here before, that's all splitting out. So we've got new doors. We're going to trial fit them today with the wings. The only thing I can see that's different is the shape of where the lock goes. Sort of sits out and it's got a little recess. But I wouldn't be surprised if this one has been bashed in and filled at some point. So yeah, we're going to fit them on, fit the wings on, make sure it all lines up. And then we can rub it down and get some epoxy on it. Hopefully we ain't got to bare metal the rest of it, but if it needs it, it needs it. I am currently taking wires out, lights, horns. Oh, hello sir. I've taken a photo and a measurement of the sticker for him. This one needs a good thinners off. I'm going to loosen the rad, take this bracket out so we can paint that. Yeah, and that's about it. Okay, we're doing a dry fit. Got a wing on, got the door off-ish, but ball ache. Look at this. Oh. I don't know if they've cut this different in the door. At the bottom of the door needs to go out and the top needs to go out a tiny bit. So we've got to crack these bolts on the post, but they're not having it. So we're going to have to get some heat on it. Now we're just breaking away some of the old paint. Heat them up, try and crack them, and the other bit. A little box of goodies. This bit that goes on the end is meant to go about there, but there's no hole for it. I don't know if it's like a locator or what, but it slides in here, so we've got to try and measure that, cut that hole. But yeah, the door's being a pain in the arse straight away. We're having to elongate the holes off on the posts where the hinges go. Have a look. Go on now. Go on, Al.
I think that's big enough.
It made them a bit longer so we can bring the door out a bit so it clears the wing. Otherwise there's no point doing any of it. We're going to fit that on. Let's show you this Fiesta quickly. Managed to get all this Fiesta all done it all in water base this time, so I know that every coat's dry. He's coming to pick that up tonight. Hopefully he's happy with it. Have a look at the old Princess. We've redone spoiler, tailgate, roof scoop, all the front end, rear arches. But yeah, that's all done. One headache out of the way. They've a Defender. I'll just see your brother in there.
That's not watching up with
Defender screens all done. That's in another video. All the rot was rubbed out, epoxied, primed, rubbed down, painted, blah blah blah. Screen aperture and the hinges, just waiting for the screen to go back in. Got no more vans at the minute, even though I just bought a brand new tool to have a play with. Got this off P&P Suppliers. It's got all the goodies, little slide hammer, this long one, and a little fine tuning pin dent one. Look at it just sitting there. Play with me, Al. Strip me down. Yeah, I'll set the camera up and you can watch us fucking about with these doors.